Hi, I want to do an experiment. I have an 8 by 8 inch canvas. This is Priscilla Batzell at Spring Hill, Florida at Expressionist Fluid Studio Gallery. I put some fresh black acrylic paint on this canvas, and since it's an experiment, I want to do something weird, which is to put a little bit of Anita's white metallic on. So maybe I have a better background. And it made really funky patterns the last time I tried to use it, so no matter what I get, it's still better than nothing, except for that cat hair. So that's my background. Now I'm going to put some colors down, and I'm going to use some cell activator. I'm going to wipe my spatula off first so I don't come back to dry down paint. I hope. I'll just put that in the bucket. Alright, so like I said, I want to practice, and weird colors though they may be, maybe I'm going to go, yeah, this direction. Making a difference. This is wintergreen. Some Fandango, both Prizm pours. This is Per.Peacock. This is a Purely Pigment. I'm a Colourarte affiliate. This is Purely Pigment and Chartreuse combination. Both Prizm, Purely Pigments. And I have a Purely Pigments Sour Apple and Vibrant Aqua combination. I have a Vibrant Aqua, which is another Purely Pigments I just mentioned. Now I thought I would put some cell activator in between my places, and maybe I will. This is Triple Sec. Some more Fandango. I'm planning on using some gold. Do I have some black I can cover that with? Yeah. Okay, so is that enough paint? That's the question. I'm going to go for some more Purely Pigment. Perfectly Peacock. Just because I can. I'm going to use a weird colored combination cell activator, and I want some gold. In between them, and some Dancing Fuchsia. Both have Australian Floetrol mixed into them. Okay, so I didn't get all of my cell activator to activate, and I do see that I have something I need to pull out. The question is, do I want to do it again? And I kind of do. It was meant to be a practice run for dragons, so I've got work to do still. Now I think I'm going to just use a smaller tool after I wipe that one off thoroughly. Here's my smaller tool. Is it small enough? No, I'm going to use an even smaller tool. I love the Dancing Fuchsia cell activator with the green though. It looks like I'm just going to keep adding it. who knows what else I'm going to do. I guess what I'm going to do to start with is add some black. And use a straw, now that I've seen what I need to see, which is not really, hasn't really resolved my issue yet. Now I get to play. Now I can play with whatever I want, actually. So let's try some Atelier red-orange. They're all very fluid. They're old as heck. But strangely enough, they all seem to work, which is pretty cool. Let's do a little more gold. A little more dancing fuchsia. I've got them, why not use them? Here's the black. It occurs to me I could put more paint on this. And I'm actually loving what I've got. So I'm going to do some more painting. I'm going to try... Oh, that was on there really well. Because it's stuck. I'm looking for the frosted berry and finding it, but it's plugged. I think after 5 or 6 years of using the bottles, I've gouged out enough little spots inside the cones of my bottles so that they probably don't... I can't get that to open. Let's use something else. I've got water lily. And more perfectly peacock, which I'm totally enamored of. And I really like this bluish vibrant aqua. And I think I'm going to indulge in a little bit. This is Fandango, a little bit of jasmine. Swivel this around. Wipe off my spatula. Actually, it's my brush. Rubber brush. Seems strange to call something with no bristles a brush, but that's what it is. I'm going to use the one I started with. Oh, it's got water on it. Careful. And I'm going to put some gold with it. This is Atelier Rich Gold and Pebeo Iridescent Gold. And right at the moment I don't care where I spill. Because I'm still just getting used to the whole process. And having fun along the way. And as long as I've got paint, this is a Princeton Art Catalyst spatula, which probably could be replaced by one of the smaller brushes, but since it's handy, why not use it? So I'm going to go back over here. And for some reason I'm being called to try out some of the Anita's white metallic. I'm not sure it's a good idea. But I want to try it anyway. I'm going to go back for the wintergreen. Maybe some more of this sour apple vibrant aqua combo. Definitely loving the Vibrant Aqua. I think the Jasmine over here is selling itself to me very nicely. In theory, the Anita's White Metallic should not work to do a swipe bloom sort of style thing. I hope I caught the paint before it dried on there. Let's do a little bit of, there's this cell activator that's Atelier red orange. That's the Dancing Fuchsia. I haven't used any white yet, and I kind of want to. So that's what I'm going to do. Might be hard to tell the difference between the white cell activator and the white Anita's. So I'll put a little black in there too. Wow, we got a lot of action. A lot of cell action. I don't think the Anita's white is a problem at all. Pretty colors. I'm liking this. Good for an experiment. I'm inclined to tip it. I don't have to though. Maybe I'll just take that white cell activator and put it someplace. Maybe I'll just blow some of it around. That is a bad straw. I remember that straw from yesterday. It has spit in it. I think if I tip this, I'm going to lose a whole bunch of paint that I don't necessarily want to. I threw a cat hair stuck up on my finger into the painting for a start. Okay, well that's not satisfying enough. So I'm just going to do a little more Vibrant Aqua, a little more Dancing Fuchsia, and a dot of black. That looks like it has an eyeball. That was just another dot of white cell activator. And that's the gold. And that's kind of cute. Definitely kind of cute. I like it. See if I need to spiral anything, and then I'll say goodbye after I remind you that I have 34 playlists with 100 videos on them each. I am a Colourarte affiliate, and you can find a promo code underneath the video in the description. Just move some things around a little bit. Not a lot. If I was going to tip, it might make a big difference, but I think I like what I have, and I'm pretty sure I can get away with keeping it. My fingers are crossed, shall I put it that way. I am going to give myself a little more white and hope I don't regret it. Because that'll help show up or accentuate any of the Dancing Fuchsia. Let's see if there's a shimmer quotient here. And maybe I can zoom in too. I think I used up all my time playing. Oh, we're still recording. That's a good sign. That's an ethereal cosmic cloud of green fun. Or something. Alright, I love you guys. Take care of each other. Take care of yourselves. Please watch the videos all the way through if you can, if you have time. It helps the YouTube algorithm try and save my channel, which I keep telling people, but I don't think is true anymore, so don't worry about it. Please give me a thumbs up and share my videos. You help me out. My email address is easpb in the word gallery spelled out at gmail.com. Thank you so much to all my patrons, my PayPal donators, and especially my members who keep me somewhat in art supplies and keep me bringing tutorials. When I run out of art supplies, I'll let you know. But way back when I had enough money coming in to buy art supplies, I bought enough for a little while. My community board will show you tomorrow's video. I have 34 playlists of 100 videos each. Well, 33 that are actually available. Pinterest, Instagram, Twitter links. Everything's on the link tree. A couple of websites. And like I said, the description under the video has a promo code for Colourarte and a promo code for Pixel Paint Designs, where you can find Australian Floetrol to make your cell activator with. Spring clothing. Spring under the video has all kinds of stuff other than just clothing. And you can have my artwork put on and reproduced on either reproductions, yeah, redundancy, and any of the merch that you find. I give lessons at the house in Spring Hill, Florida when I feel like it. I don't know how much longer that'll happen for. And I do sell my artwork when I get a chance. It's really, really helpful. All right. Bye for now. Priscilla out.